Welcome to Map My Customers. In this video, we'll learn how to create groups and use them as filters on your mobile device. Groups are the most efficient way to organize your customers by product type, salesperson, or territory. We'll start off by learning how to create one of these groups. Click Groups at the bottom of the page and then click Create New Group. Name the group and then click Add Pins so that you can put contacts into the group. You can search for specific contacts and then check the boxes to choose the contacts you want in this group. Click Add and the contacts will automatically be saved to your new group. If you'd like to add pins from a particular region, go to the map and use the lasso tool to circle those pins. And then click Edit Lassoed Pins, where you can choose to add them to the group. To use this group as a filter on the map, click Filters on the top right, Pins in All Groups, and then click the name of the group that was created. Click Apply, and the map will then only be populated with contacts in the group that was created. You've now successfully created a group to see exactly what customers you want on the map. Thank you for using Map My Customers, and we hope that this tutorial was of help to you.